Photoshop video tutorials by Andrew Buckle. In this tutorial for Photoshop CC 2015.2 and also obviously for earlier versions as well, I'm going to show you how to resize the brush tool. Now just go over here to the brush tool and go over to the panel for the brushes, and I'm just going to use just one of the default brushes, just one of these brushes here, and to actually put it back to the default value, just click there, 59. I obviously selected one, but just go there, 59. You can see that, and that just changes it back to that. So if you resize it, just move this slider, just going to quickly do that, and then you say, I don't want that. You can just click there to put it back. Also, you can do the same just by clicking just there, the little reset as well, restore to original size. Just click that, and that basically does the same thing. Now, just seeing that I can actually resize just by using this. Not particularly the most accurate of the sliders. It jumps quite rapidly when you go further and further up, and suddenly goes and it bang straight away goes to 1,760, and it jumps up again 2,120, and so on and so on. So not particularly great. You can just go to the edit field itself, just say enter a value, say 400. Now obviously that's massively different from the 59, so the actual brush is not going to be very particularly great. Anyway, another thing you can do, you can actually use the keyboard as well. So if you've actually got just moved away from that, panel's not shown, and you can use the left and right brackets, square brackets on your keyboard, and you just go the left one, you can see just makes it smaller, and again jumps a bit, 75 down to 150, 125, then 190, and so on and so on. So, and then you go up again using the right side, so you can just see it. And again, it's not particularly the best of brushes once you've clicked that. Now you can also go onto the actual field up here. Now not using the square brackets at this point, but just using the up and down arrow keys, and you can actually just modify it, just going up. I'm just using the up one, and you can see that's going up 21, 24, 27, 28, 20, and so on and so on. And of course the down to actually reduce it down that way. Now, if you actually haven't got the square brackets, there's an option for that, is via the edit and using keyboard shortcuts. Just go to tools and then just go down this list and then change the actual setting that way. It's down here somewhere. Find it, yeah. Decrease brush size, increase brush size, and just change those. Just click on there and change it. So that's a way around that. Now you can actually also modify it interactively, and that's using the control and option. So on your keyboard, depending on your keyboard, but I mean, just go on this. This is a Mac one, and just hold the control and option, and then just go left, and you can see it going down. Just that point, the size, you can see diameter it says, and then you go the other way, again to the right, and you can modify size that way very interactively by that. And you can also modify the opacity as well, so you can actually just, if you just go up and down, you can see it just going up and down. Now you might not particularly want that, so just keep the arrow just down there, a bit low below it, so you can actually just go across and that way without modifying the opacity. But you can do the opacity as well, put it down to. There you have it, quick way of running through with the brushes. Like I say, the brush stroke obviously isn't that great. When it's that size, you might want to create brushes obviously a lot larger than that, 1,000 by 1,000. There is actually a limit. It's currently on CC, I think it's 5,000 pixels as a size of brush. So anyway, hope you found this of interest. Thank you much.